I'm Aditi and welcome to another episode of the Fatsuit Diaries. So, according to most horoscope posts, when a Libran is not bitching about people or like just thinking of plans on how to destroy people, we're supposedly gossiping or going out with friends or shopping. And personally, I love shopping. But there's one thing that I notice whenever I go shopping is I see people buying clothes on the kind of body that they want and not based on the kind of body that they have. Like I see all these people, like people of my size, go ahead and wear these really baggy clothes, or like this really baggy button down that I'm wearing. It's not even a button down, it's like a top, yeah. So this really baggy clothes, and somehow it just makes them look bigger because it's so loose, right? So you can't see where your body really ends. But maybe a button down like this and it's fitting, okay? It's a little on the loose side, it's fitting, and it just shows your body properly, and it does not particularly highlight your bad things, okay? And not only when you're talking about button downs, even when you're talking about t-shirts, people go to some extent and wear those really baggy t-shirts. And I know I try not to discriminate, but that is something that only skinny people can afford to wear without looking like tents. Okay, because I tried wearing loose clothes and it just looked like I was wearing a tent. Because loose clothes make you look, they make you look chubbier and they don't really show your proper body shape. So if you're going for a t-shirt, don't go for something that looks like this. Go for something that's so baggy and this makes you look like you're wearing a garbage can. And as much as I love to wear these t-shirts, they should be reserved for like when you're not particularly in public. So when you're going out, it just makes you look twice your size, and that's not really a nice feeling considering we're turning to a loose weight. So let's just keep the loose t-shirts for the skinny people. And I'm not saying that go ahead and wear something that's like so tight and like, you know, makes you suffocate or something, because again that's going to highlight all the wrong portions of your body all the wrong ways again, because it's so tight and you can see all the fat going like plop 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 plop. Okay, just go ahead and wear something like this. Now this t-shirt, when it's not exactly really tight, it's not exactly really loose, it's comfortable, and I just go around looking like a homeless person in this, but I love it, okay? So maybe not when you're going out, but maybe when you're going to college, you can go in like this college or school or work or anywhere casual, you can go in these comfortable tees. But then if you're going out, go with something fancy, go with something that, you know, makes your body look beautiful, because it is, okay? Your body is not ugly just because you're sort of fat, okay? Your body is beautiful, and learn to love your curves. Okay, I'll see you all next Saturday. I love you so much and thank you for sticking around. And also, when I'm not obsessed with pandas, I'm obsessed with minions. So I'm guilty as charged. But yes, I'm obsessed with minions. And guys, thank you so much for the support. It means so much to me. And I'll see you all next week. I make videos every Saturday, and just like you can share them with, if you have a friend who is like, you know, upset because they're like half grown bald like me, okay, you can share this with them. They can talk to me. My email ID, my Twitter @ my Instagram, everything is in the description below. You can follow me, and if you ever need to talk, I'm always available. And thank you so much for the love you guys have shown. I love you.